Right, been working on this. Unfortunately, we haven't done any videos on the welding, but all the welding is done. We just haven't got time to do the videos on it because I've been busy, and we have to set the camera up and mess about, and it takes a long time. So we've done the welding on it. You can see that side's all been done. That's been done there, and it's had a new quarter welded on it before, and there's the bits in the corners over there have been done, and some other little bits that needed doing on the sills. So all the welding has now been done. The underside is almost finished, apart from putting that tank back in. So we're now going to put the tank back in, and then all it needs is a clean, a few bits on the inside, and the headliner doing. So that's what will be done next. So that's where we am so far. Like I say, the next thing to do is get this tank back in. We have done videos on putting this tank in and out before, so look back if you want to see them. And then we're going to move on to this, because steering box leak, not steering box, it's the pipes that go into the steering box that we've replaced before. One of them seems to be split, so that's going to be a big job. We'll film the entire thing of that because people want to see how to get the pipes out of the steering box, so we will film that entire job when we get round to that one, which will be after this one's finished. The lights on the rear of the Jaguar XJ40 have stopped working, so that's going to have to come in and have them fixed. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. As you've seen before, the new bumper, the windscreen was done, new wheels, good tyres, and everything else that's on the outside needed doing has been done. Also, the centre exhaust piece has been put on, so this has got the centre exhaust deleted simply because somebody had took it off when they was messing about with the gearbox, we believe, and not put anything back on, so we bought the one without the centre box in it, which is the cheaper pipe. Give you a bit of turbo whistle. And also the track rod's been done, brand new track rod on there. So it's tank time. Right, we're going to do a quick video on chucking this tank in. We did do one before, but we'll do another one.
I think the two washers were from the back with them 2 nuts, and
yeah,
these got two nuts go on there.
With a tank strap. So the tank up, and it hooks over here, and once it's hooked over there, it's quite sturdy in place because it sort of jams in the hole. When you put it in, I don't know how much of this can be seen. Yeah. When you put it in the pipe here, that is to the filler, that's got to be in line because that's a nightmare to try and bend and get over it. So, I'll put it over there.
This has still got some fuel in it.
Yeah. When you went there or anything?
Yeah, go come up. Up and out. Still laying enough. And what's stopping it doing?
Nothing, we'll look up this.
No?
There we go, you have to give it a good pushing. Scares the crap out of you.
Hang on.
Then you hold it on with your head. Normally you'd have like a transmission jack under here. We ain't got one.
We did have it, yeah.
No transmission jack.
Okay, that's on.
We're using a plasterboard, I think. Anyway, that's up.
Right, we've got this pipe here connected to that.
Don't worry about none of that. We need to
just
get
making sure they're all there and not
Yeah.
stuck on the top.
Let's get this tank thing on.
Right. Which way is it? Is it that way?
Yeah. No, it's the other way around. So the two slotted ones give this end. He's got in my eyeball. bolt on it, yeah. There.
You go the other way, and not on the
Yeah,
top.
it's going to go the other way.
Let the washer on top of this, don't we?
No, I was going to say there, that lot room up there. Is that on? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah. So, one there, I'll get this one in here, and there's a couple just up the back. Like I say, we've got the filler on, and then there's just a breather that's got to go on, and then obviously you've got to drop it down, connect all your connections in the boot. So that's that. We've got a nut and bolt on the other side, and we'll get these tightened up and then do the connections. Yeah,
Oh, that's better.
there's two up there, look. Probably will have to push the tank up. So that one there has got to go on to there, and then you've got a little one here that's got to go on there and feels like it's trapped at the moment. Pull it out. Oh, there we go. So that's got to fit onto that connector there. I'm filming absolutely nothing, but up there, look, there, on there. So then we've got to go in as well. But first we'll tighten the tank into position, and then we'll connect the things at the top. We've put some bump stops on this as well there. Wheel nuts, Julian. Get over there, I'll put this on. These wheels use, you can see anything if you can. Them wheels, no, just you. Use different size nuts though, that's your normal DT ones, because these wheels are actually off a Range Rover, I believe. 22 something. Yeah. These have swelled up a bit, so the socket only fits on a few of them, right? It's a nightmare to get off. Pinch myself. I'll have to go over them. All the wheels are actually with the bar, will we?
Yeah.
Oh, pinch me, Donny.
The front
Right
one,
there.
that one was the same.
So now this can come down on the ground, we can up the tank up from the inside. It's been up for a long time, and now it's down. I forgot what the inside of it looks like. Ta-da! So now we've got to hook the tank up. You're bringing that light over here. So now we've got to hook the tank up in the holiest of holies.
And there it all is.
Where's the rest of our pipes?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's good news.
And a plug.
And always make sure you remember what colour goes in what hole. I mean, they normally stay in the same place as them supposed to
A
be.
good idea what I did this time. I put green.
Oh, on the actual...
Yeah, I just with a scratch it. I scratched it there. Green,
yeah.
red, black.
Just to make sure. So we'll connect to them, they just push in. You normally have to use a pair of pliers, don't you, to get them in?
I got a red one.
Oh, yeah, I got a red one.
No, I said green, red. The red one.
Black, blue, green, grey.
It's black, green, blue, grey.
You could even point to the right colours. Black's on the end, grey starts. He's colour blind.
Grey,
Grey,
green,
green,
blue,
blue.
black.
Yes.
Okay, pliers.
Need some pliers, Josh.
I've got them.
He's got them. Come back.
Fast they are.
We don't need the pliers.
I think we've done this before anyway.
Well, we've had the tank out before. You mean on film?
No, I mean on film.
Yeah, we have. We've done it before, but I'm going to film you struggling with it again.
Are you going to take the headliner out today? We'll start it.
Nah.
Right,
Oh.
locate it there.
Put the pliers behind the thing gate.
Yeah.
Oh, in front of it.
You really need these.
Pinchy pliers.
Yeah. And then push it in, then be able to put them behind the next bit and click it in.
Clickety click.
You know when you got the tank out, why don't you just like fill those jerry cans up with the diesel and then put it back in later?
It's alright. It wore heavy enough not to need to be emptied really. The nightmare with taking the tank out is bleeding the damn thing out and getting it to start again.
You don't bleeding thing.
Because it all feels like it's never going to start again, don't it? And you may as well just roll it into the cut. But it will go eventually. It takes some priming. So I'll go through the priming procedure.
Plug.
5 or 6 pumps on the pedal.
Don't reach.
You don't reach. Oh no.
Give me some light.
Give him some light.
I got it.
He's got it. It does reach.
I think it's very tight, but
Christ is subverted. It's probably stuck under the tank where I pulled it through.
we should have
I tried to
somewhere.
lift it up.
A lid.
Lead.
There's a lid somewhere. Could be anywhere. But yeah, lid, then carpet fold back, and then strip on. And then we're going to look at this headliner. Get that out, painted black. Signature
I tried to lift
move.
the hole out of it, but I just ended up lifting it up instead.
Oh.
Screws. Posi drive.
Have we got one before we send Josh to get one?
No.
Posi drive. Sprinting. He's gone in there for some reason. What? Anyway, save film in the back of his head. We'll come back once it's in.
Videos. Oh, stupid's that.
Crossword section.
Intellectual area.
We fed underneath the things.
This carpet, you normally have to cut it to get it out, don't you?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. You had to fold it up the middle and push it under the seats.
So we'll do that. And then it's just that strip to go on. And then it's on the floor. I mean, we can try and start it. Do you think we should try and start it? Because we've done a lot of welding. So hopefully we have fried no internals. And the tank's been out, which means it needs priming. So we shall also do a will this car ever start again
It's
video.
under there, the carpet had look.
Yeah, that's where it's been cut from. You can see, if you look there.
Has it been cut before?
Yeah,
Oh,
look,
yeah.
You can see it's been cut
I
down there
thought it
before.
come out easy.
Well, you've got a fold in it, eh?
Yeah.
This tank's been out because this car's had a rear quarter on it.
Oh, of course.
So,
So they'll cut it underneath there.
yeah. It's been cut down there.
Underneath there.
So it's had a rear quarter, so that would have been out before anyway, so somebody cut the carpet originally. Anywho, what was next? Try and start the car. What? It's got fuel in it, yeah?
Have you got any fuel?
Yeah, it's got fuel in it.
I dropped half of it on the ground.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's the whole area of the place. Anyway, we'll see if it'll start. We've got to prime the system first. And we need the key. Right, it's time to see if it'll start after the tank change. Hopefully the battery's still got some power in it. Like I said, it's had a lot of welding done, so we've had the battery disconnected. So we'll connect this back up. No spark switches. Never good. Any lights on?
Yeah, the flashing light.
Oh, that's alright then. Flashing lights. Right then. Where'd I put the keys? Aha! So let's. What do you mean? What am I? What? I'm trying to make sure it's unlocked. We ain't got no lights at all on here, so I don't know. No.
There's a flashing light. That's what I want.
I'm tight enough. Are there any lights now? No. Nothing. Okay, we got no lights. I reckon this battery's flat. These are a few things we've got left, so a couple of them can go. Weld cells.
No. What's that?
Order
Order cap,
cap.
yes.
Yes,
Especially
you
that
will,
tomorrow.
Exhaust.
Yeah.
Exhaust rubber. Yes.
Ooh.
So, headliner
What
and a
else?
clean. Right, clean. Headliner and a clean, and then this one
Charge battery.
will be ready. Oh, we've got to charge the battery now, the battery's flat.
Yeah. Prime tank.
Yeah.
So we can wash them back off again.
We've got to start the thing, so.
Charge battery. Start it. And prime tank.
Well, prime is
Prime
part
pump.
of starting it, Mum, so
Oh.
that's no need to stay on that. And then we've got that pipe steering box.
Have a look at that.
Like and subscribe. Trixie!